got an unusual lunchtime review for food because I've been on a trip to the mangoes on the boats and I'm now on the beach, and they've dished us up wonderful looking lunch. And there it is, something looks chickeny with rice and the all-important taste test. Yeah, cabbage. I'll give this one hug. Yuck. Oh, the start of the boat tour. Dodgy pontoons. Woo! And we're off. A day trip of the lots of different things, I think. There's like an interesting place at stay. Huts over there. That's a lot of eagles there. Picking up bits of chicken that they're throwing in. Wow.
Mafia A and Mafia B. He's already drinking the Red Bull there.
So we're just about to enter the crocodile playground, that is.
It's a nice brand of sunglasses.
Ni duk aku tengok. Yeah, you finger fine. They're more bigger 100 kg, but they're very lazy. Yeah, in Malaysia.
Going into the bat cave.
In one list. You can have a picture. You can take a picture but no flash. Night mode.
They will show you where it was raining.
Okay, bye bye.